In this video, I'll show you how to remove a customer in Zoho Books. Now this is very easy, but if you've finished working with a customer, you want to remove it, you want to keep everything clean, you need to go to your Zoho Books. Then you can go to Sales. That will open this window and we can go to Customers. Now once you're inside of Customers, you'll see a list of all of them. You can just tick the one that you want to delete. You can then go ahead and either mark it as inactive, or if you just want to delete it, go to More Actions, then click delete and delete again, and you can then also mark that as inactive as well. Again, we can go back and select it, and then we can click delete and delete. Now if your customer is associated with some transactions, you're not going to be able to delete them without deleting the transactions, but obviously I wouldn't recommend deleting the transactions. If you was to delete the transactions though, you could go ahead and just delete them, but obviously if they haven't paid, then the delete button would work because you'd have no transactions. But that is how you would do it. I hope that helped.